through the three actions that we learned today. Number one, this book, the Holy Quran, is Kitab al-Hakim. Al-Hakim means the book of wisdom. And wisdom, we learned, means that, it is knowledge combined with action. Knowledge alone, if you get the knowledge and you don't act upon it, it's as good as a person who didn't even receive the knowledge. So the Quran is like an instruction manual for all the human beings. It has instructions of doing what is right, which is halal, abstaining from what is wrong, which is haram, following the right path, and then abstaining from the way of the people who went astray. So we have to treat this as a user manual to live our lives. We have to see this as a guidance, and we have to follow all the instructions to be successful, meaning we have to take action. Knowledge alone is not enough. We have to take action. And then observe the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all around us. This is very important, that we appreciate everything that is happening all around us. The movement of the moon, as we saw the example today, the changing phases of the moon, with which it helps us to keep track of time, the lunar calendar, and then the water cycle, and then the composition of gases in the atmosphere, and all the other things, the sand, and all the entire life in under the seas. All of this should give us the signs that there is a creator, there is an amazing creator who has created all of these signs all around us, so that they give us, they can be a source of belief and strong Iman, and it should strengthen our Iman as we get more knowledge about science and things and systems and everything that is around us. Finally, we have to always thank and praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for everything, be it our education, accomplishments related to our education, job, promotion, business, marriage. If our kids are, good, it should not be like, okay, so my kids are great because, I invest time with them and I am, no. It's because of a blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Similarly, in religion, we learned, even if you become a religious scholar or something, then, someone learned it, then shaitan can put this waswasa in your mind that, so I am very accomplished and I have the knowledge and it can put in those seeds of arrogance that you need to protect yourself. So across everything in life, as we progress and as we learn and as we strive, we have to always thank and praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, versus becoming arrogant and saying that, we are the best and we are the people and it's because of me and I am the best and my accomplishments, my skills and my knowledge and qualifications and all of that. Okay, so this marks the end